Hello again, my friends. So I hope you are doing great. Welcome back again to the channel Only for Students. So مرحبا مرة أخرى في قناة تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية المسماة Only for Students، يعني اللغة الإنجليزية للتلاميذ والمبتدئين. So today we're going to see a lesson titled The Five Senses. The Five Senses. الحواس الخمس. Okay. And as you can see from the picture كما يتضح من الصورة, we have vision, hearing, smell, taste, touch. سنفسر في كل واحدة منهما وكذلك سأشرحهم باللغة العربية وأعطي أمثلة. Just a reminder for those who haven't subscribed yet. So بالنسبة للذين لم يشتركوا بعد في القناة فهذا هو رابط القناة الإنجليزية للتلاميذ أو Only for Students. Please subscribe and share with your friend and anyone who is interested in learning English. Thank you. Okay, now let's start. So we have five senses. Five senses يعني خمس حواس. We have sight. Sight يعني البصر. من مسؤول عليه؟ مسؤول عليه eye. The eye. العين. eye. And then we have hearing. Hearing. سمع. مسؤول عليه ear. أذن. ear. أذن. And we have taste. Taste. So مسؤول عليه the mouth or لسان. So mouth فم. Okay. واللسان tongue. لم أشير هنا إلى اللسان. Okay. الحاسة الرابعة touch. touch. لمس. المسؤول عن هذه الحاسة هو اليد. hand. hand. الحاسة الخامسة smell. smell. حاسة الشم. والمسؤول عليها هو the nose. nose يعني الأنف. Okay, so as I said before, كما قلت سابقا, we have the first one, sight. حاسة البصر. Sight is a noun, يعني اسم. الفعل is to see. To see بمعنى رأى أو شاهد. Example, I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. أرى بعيني. الحاسة الثانية hearing. hearing. And here it's a noun. حاسة السمع. And the verb that we can deduce from this is the verb to hear. To hear يعني أسمع. To hear. So example, I hear with my ears. I hear with my ears. يعني أسمع بأذني. Ears. Okay. Now the third sense يعني الحاسة الثالثة is the smell. Smell. حاسة الشم. So smell is a noun and it is a verb to smell. بمعنى أشم. Okay. To smell. Example, I smell with my nose. I smell with my nose. أنا أشم من خلال أنفي. Okay? Nose. And the fourth sense, الحاسة الرابعة, حاسة اللمس is touch. The touch. Okay? It comes from the verbs يعني it comes from the verb أتت من الفعل to touch. To touch بمعنى ألمس. Example, I touch with my hands. I touch with my hands يعني ألمس بيدي. And the last sense, الحاسة الخامسة, حاسة التذوق, which is taste. Taste. Okay? It comes from the verbs, يعني it comes from the verb to taste. من الفعل to taste بمعنى أتذوق. To taste. Example, I taste with my tongue. I taste with my tongue. أتذوق باللسان. أتذوق باللسان. كما أشرت في الأول الفم عطيت غير اسم ديال mouth ولكن الذوق يكون باللسان. Okay, here is a short summary. هذا ملخص. So we have five senses. We have sight البصر from the verb to see. Smell حاسة الشم from the verb to smell بمعنى أشم. Taste from the verb to taste بمعنى أتذوق. And we have hearing السمع حاسة السمع. It comes from the verb to hear. To hear بمعنى أسمع. To hear. Okay. And touch. Touch حاسة اللمس. It comes from the verb to touch يعني ألمس. Okay, so we come to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Just a reminder or to sum up, we talked about five senses يعني الحواس الخمس. So we have hearing, sight, touch, smell, and taste. Okay, so if you have any question, just write it in the comment side. And thank you very much again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends. Bye.